Got a call here for Mitsubishi MR Slim ductless unit, a 9,000 BTU. This is 115 volt. They said it was freezing up and leaking water on the wall, so the customer shut it down. So I come out here, I just turned power back on, I'm checking. The blower came on inside, but the compressor is not coming on outside. I've got, let's see, had set it on like powerful mode, which is like their turbo mode. We'll take it off that. So it's warm in here. This is a electrical room. So I'll set it at 70 degrees. And let's go take a look at that condenser, see why it's not coming on. Alright, so here's my condenser. Let's open up. Nice. We've got 115 volt unit. Let's check that. I've got 119 volts applied. Line to the signal looks like it's closed, so signal to neutral. I'm getting 119 volts, so, and this goes back to the air handler. Alright, so we know we got fan inside. We're getting a signal to run out here, so let's open this up and see why we don't have any action out here. No fan, nothing's running. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, so inside here we have a capacitor. This is a very simple unit. This is before all electronics took over these ductless units. So it looks like just a relay to start the compressor. That's warm. There's a control fuse there and a capacitor. So let's see if we're getting voltage at that relay there. Should be normally open contact here. It's energized, should be closed. We are not closing. Alright, so I had one of these single to dual male connectors, so I just jumped out the relay contact. And let's put some power to it, see if we get compressor and fan. Compressor's on. It's hard to hear. We're drawing 5.2 amps. So while I have this energized, let's check. This has another set of contacts on it. Let's see if it's closed. Not really. So it's probably just timing out since I shut the power off. We'll wait for that to close. There we go. Just clicked on. Okay, so I think that's the main reason why this wasn't cooling, and also I'm gonna guess that's why it froze up. It got stuck on. The condenser's warm. Just throw gauges on here real quick. It's a 410A system, and we are running 125. Fans running. Degrees from here. It's 91 in this room. I don't believe it. Alright, we're cooling. Alright, so I'm gonna get a new relay. Might just get a contactor for that 120 volt coil. And we'll keep this thing in service as long as possible. It don't seem to be leaking Freon. I did check the filters the other day when I came, and they said it was icing up. They were clean. Alright, so inside unit we are 68 degrees coming out. It's 91 in here. I don't believe that. It's an electrical room, like I said. There's a transformer in the corner. So it's just putting out some heat. Yeah, so I'm going to order probably a contactor for this 120 volt coil, and keep this thing in service as long as possible. It's not low on Freon. Yeah, I think it just got stuck running the other day and froze up. You can see where the stains are there. Yeah, I think that's it. So, all right, well, that's my troubleshooting on a Mitsubishi MR Slim and 9,000 BTU, 115 volt. So, all right, hope that helps somebody, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.